Hello everybody, my name is Christopher Bennett. You can call me Chris. I know saying Christopher can be a bit of a mouthful. I'm a part of the IT software developer program. This will be my first semester attending NTC. I'm really excited and a little nervous at the same time. My expectations regarding the course is not much. I am ready to full on dive into the world of IT. I'm hoping to get more understanding of the IT culture as far as the many programs, tools of the trade in regards to like a typical work environment, my peers, and ultimately a future in the field. I have little experience. I did a little JavaScript coding back when I attended UWSP in 2011. Unfortunately, I didn't understand the material as much as I wanted to, and I failed to reach out for help. For me, it was a minority thing. I felt lost. Keep in mind, this is me coming straight out of high school. I graduated high school in 2010, so I was not a vocational student. I felt lost and didn't have the heart to ask for help, so I basically didn't want to overburden anyone with my trouble, so I dropped out. But today, almost a decade later, I am here to overcome my fears. I wish to help develop our world with ideas and innovation, and experience new possibilities that I would have otherwise never had the chance. With that being said, thanks for having me, and I am honored to be a part of the NTC family. Thanks again. Take it easy.